Guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Mary J Black. And Miss Muhammad is a building, babies. So guys, on today's topic, actually we'll be having this very gorgeous, beautiful hair on our channel from Sdamey Hair. Guys, I love the packaging. This is how it comes. Yeah, I love everything about this very hair. Miss Mama, what can you say about this very packaging?
Actually guys, this packaging is so classy and unique.
Yeah,
as far as I'm concerned, is from all the hair that we reviewed on this channel, it's one of the best packaging we've ever come across on this channel. Guys, can you guys see the tag?
Yeah,
the color and everything is so unique and classy. You all should please stay tuned and see what is inside this little cute bag.
Yo guys, so you all should please stay tuned so that you all can see what's inside this little cute bag. Trust me guys, this content is gonna be light. It's gonna be what? It's gonna be light. So you all should please stay tuned and see how this content will look like. So this hair is from Sdamey Hair and it's a 100% natural human hair. It's a water wave hair, 22 inches, 180 density. Guys, so you all should please stay tuned. Let me show you all what's inside this bag. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to purchase this hair from Sdamey Hair. I'll be dropping the link down my description box. And don't forget to subscribe to Miss Mama YouTube channel. Hit on the notification
bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show your some love.
Yeah guys, it's still your favorite girl, Mary J Black. And Miss Muhammad is the building, babies. So guys, this is Sdamey Hair, the Princess Beauty Secret. I love the packaging. This is cute guys. I love how the packaging looks like. Let me show you all what's inside this little cute bag. Whoa guys, it comes with this cute 3D eyelashes. It's beautiful guys, trust me. And that's the eyelashes I'm using right now. Can you see that? I love it. It's so lightweighted and it's a natural human hair eyelashes. Guys, trust me, this is one of the best eyelashes I've ever come across. I love it. Yeah, can you see that? This is beautiful guys. I love it. And it comes with this very headband, which I so much love. And guess what guys, it's a handmade headband. I just can't believe it because it looks so neatly made. Can you see that? This is beautiful guys. I love the headband also. So apart from this beautiful headband, it comes with this very beautiful wig cap, and which I've already used. Can you see that? I love the color. I just don't like that color wig cap. That's just the truth. So I love this very one. Yeah, so it comes with this very pen. So guys, I can't just say this is the use of this, but if you know what this pen is mainly used for, please comment down below. Yeah, just comment down below. But I guess it's to secure your wig cap properly. Yo, can you see that? This is beautiful. So guys, if you all know, yeah, this hair is from Sdamey Hair and is 180 density guys, 22 inches hair. Whoa, let me show you all guys. Yeah, 180 density, 22 inches hair guys. Is a, yeah, can you see that? This is beautiful. This hair is from Sdamey Hair and is a water wave wig. This is beautiful. Whoa guys, this is beautiful. So let me just take off the net so you all can see how this wig looks like. Can you see that? This is a water wave wig. I love it guys. Wow. Guys, wow, I love it. So guys, I've already used the wig cap like I said. So if you all know me that much, you all don't know I hate applying glue on my head. I love going for a glueless installation. So this is how the hair looks like. This hair is from Sdamey Hair and is a water wave wig. Guys, I love this hair. It's a 180 density, 22 inches hair. If you love this wig, I'll be dropping the link of this very hair down my description box. Guys, trust me, this is a 100% natural human hair. I love it. This is beautiful. The hair is soft, silk, and guys, whoa, I just can't believe how this hair is. This hair is so beautiful. Apart from this very hair, they have a lot of beautiful, gorgeous hair on their website. So definitely I'll be dropping the link of this very hair down my description box so you all can take a look at the hairs there. So guys, now we need to install this very hair, but like I said, we're going for a glueless installation. So this is how the hair looks like. Can you see that? It's a 180 density 22 inches hair. So let's take off the excess the excess lace, guys, so you all can see what I'm talking about. I said this and let me repeat myself again, guys. If you are the type that love applying glue, this hair got you. If you are the type that don't like applying glue, guys, this hair still got you. So guys, let me repeat this again, guys. This hair is from Sdamey Hair, and this is the Princess Beauty secret. Trust me, because this hair is gonna make you look like a princess. So you all should please stay tuned and see how this hair will look like. I love you all. Mwah. Wow, this is beautiful. Can you see that? Can you see this curls? Yeah, just check out this very curls. This is beautiful. Whoa. But just remember, this hair is a water wave wig. Yeah, it's a water wave wig. So we just have to spray this hair some water so you all can see how the hair will look like. Wow, it does not shade. I love this. I love this. And guys, if you want to make use of this wig without spraying it or water, it still got you, guys. Can you see how the curls looks like? It still got you. So let me show you all the glueless installation. Can you see that? Ooh, this is what I'm talking about. This is a glueless installation. Yeah, you don't have to apply glue. Just check out this. Check out this. You don't have to apply any glue. Yeah, I love this. I love this. Can you see that? Whoa, can you see that? Let me take it back again. Check out. Wow. So guys, let me just get some spray, water spray, to just spray to this hair so you all can see how it looks like. But just check out this. Take it back again. Whoa, can you see that? So guys, can you see that? Before spraying some water, let's rock this hair so you all can see what I'm talking about. Let's rock it, guys, before spraying it some water. This is beautiful.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill, dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need